Hey, Emily, I've been trying to improve my English speaking skills lately. Do you have any tips?
Oh, definitely. One thing that helped me a lot was speaking English every day, even if it's just with myself.
Really? I've never tried that. What do you say when you talk to yourself?
Just simple things like describing what I'm doing or talking about my day. It's a good way to get comfortable with speaking.
That makes sense. I feel nervous sometimes when I try to speak English. How can I get over that?
It's normal to feel nervous, but practicing with friends or language partners can help. The more you practice, the less nervous you'll feel. I guess I just need to build my confidence. Do you think watching English movies helps? Oh, absolutely. Watching movies or TV shows in English is great for picking up natural expressions and pronunciation.
Should I use subtitles while watching?
At first, yes. You can start with English subtitles to match the words to their sounds. Later, try watching without subtitles. Challenge yourself.
That's a good idea. What about reading out loud? Does that help with speaking?
Definitely. Reading out loud helps you practice pronunciation and makes you more comfortable with speaking in full sentences.
I think I'll try that. Do you also record yourself speaking?
Yes, I do. Recording yourself can help you notice your mistakes and track your progress over time.
I'm always scared of making mistakes. How do you deal with that?
Don't worry about mistakes. They're part of the learning process. The important thing is to communicate, not to be perfect.
That's true. How can I improve my vocabulary for speaking?
Try learning new words daily, but focus on using them in sentences. It's important to use the words in conversation, so they stick in your mind.
So I should practice speaking with new vocabulary right away.
Exactly. And don't be afraid to make mistakes while using new words. You'll get better with time.
Should I find a speaking partner online?
Yes, online language partners are a great way to practice. There are apps and websites that connect you with people who want to improve their English too.
That sounds helpful. How do I start a conversation with someone online?
Start with simple topics like hobbies, daily routines, or travel. Keep it light and casual.
Definitely. Conversation clubs are great because you get to speak with different people and hear various accents.
That's a great idea. I've also heard about shadowing. What's that?
Shadowing is when you listen to someone speaking English, like in a podcast, and then you repeat exactly what they say, mimicking their tone and accent.
Oh, that sounds fun. I think it will help with pronunciation too.
It will. You'll get used to the rhythm and flow of English sentences.
What if I don't know how to pronounce certain words?
What if I don't know how to pronounce certain words?
You can use online dictionaries with audio features to hear how words are pronounced. It's a quick way to learn.
Good idea. Should I try speaking in English at work or in social situations?
Yes, the more you use English in real-life situations, the better you'll get. Try using it at work, with friends, or even when shopping.
I think I'll start doing that. Do you think speaking with native speakers is necessary?
Speaking with native speakers can help, but it's not necessary. You can still improve by speaking with other English learners.
That's a relief. Sometimes it's hard to find native speakers to practice with.
True, but the key is consistency. Keep speaking, and you'll see improvement.
I'll keep that in mind. How long do you think it takes to get fluent?
It depends on how much you practice. But remember, fluency isn't just about being perfect. It's about being able to communicate effectively.
That's encouraging. I'll focus on communicating more, rather than being perfect.
Exactly. Also, listen to English podcasts or audiobooks during your free time. It helps improve listening and speaking.
That's a great idea. You'll pick up on pronunciation and sentence structure naturally.
I feel more motivated to practice now. Thanks for all the tips, Emily.
You're welcome. Remember, just take it one step at a time and don't rush. You'll improve gradually.
I'll do that. Maybe we can practice speaking together sometime?
Absolutely. We can have regular conversations too. Keep practicing.
That sounds perfect. I'll start practicing right away. Great! Let me know how it goes, and we can help each other improve.